Hey teachers, welcome back to Easy Lesson Hub. Today I'm giving you 5 no-prep ESL games that work perfectly for summer school, whether it's your first day, your last day, or any day in between. All you need is your students and a little energy. Game 1, Word Chain. One student says a word. The next student must say a new word starting with the last letter of the previous word. Pro tip for summer school. Set a theme. Summer vocabulary only. If a student hesitates for more than 3 seconds, they're out. Last one standing wins. The game rewards students who know their vocabulary and challenges everyone to think fast under pressure. No materials, no setup, infinite replay value. Game 2, 2 truths and a lie. This is the ultimate summer icebreaker, perfect for the first day when no one knows each other yet. Each student thinks of 2 true statements and 1 lie about themselves. The key is making the lie believable. Give students 60 seconds to think. Then they stand up and deliver all 3. Poker face required. The class votes on which one is the lie. Watch what happens. Students are debating, justifying, persuading. Natural speaking happening completely on its own. Then comes the reveal. And this moment is always the best moment in the game. Someone is always wrong in the most dramatic way possible. Run this game on day 1 of summer school. Your students will remember each other's names by the end of it. Game 3, Telephone. Students stand in a line. You whisper a sentence to the first student. They whisper it to the next. All the way down the line. For summer school, make the sentences summer-themed. The longer and more specific, the funnier the result. Game 4, 20 questions. One student thinks of a person, place, or thing and keeps it completely secret. For summer school, tell students they can only think of summer-related things. The class gets 20 yes or no questions to figure out what it is. Is it alive? Can you eat it? Can you find it at the beach? Bigger than a car? Every question narrows it down. This game runs itself. Once it starts, you barely have to do anything. Game 5, Hot Potato. You need 1 object. 1. A pen, an eraser, a marker, literally anything from your pencil case. That's your potato. Students sit in a circle and pass the object while music plays, or while you count out loud. The moment the music stops, whoever is holding it has to answer a question, say a vocabulary word, or complete a sentence. And here's the best part. You control the difficulty completely. Easy, name a fruit. Intermediate, describe your ideal summer day. Advanced, use the word exhausted in a sentence about your summer. Same game, any level, any class. 5 games, 0 prep. Infinite summer school energy. If you want the full No Prep Summer Games quick reference card, all 5 games on 1 sheet you can keep on your desk, link is in the description. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for a new ESL game every week, and I'll see you in the next one.